Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 25 genius woodworking tools from Kreg, Ox Tools, Woodpeckers, Workpro and more that can completely upgrade your workshop. From smart measuring gadgets to powerful cutting and clamping solutions, these tools save time, improve accuracy, and make every woodworking project easier. Get ready to discover must-have tools every DIYer and pro woodworker will love. Precision Miter Gauge System. The Kreg Precision Miter Gauge System is a premium table saw upgrade built for cleaner, more accurate cuts. Its zero-play aluminum miter bar removes wobble for smooth operation, while factory-calibrated accuracy ensures precise results right out of the box. With positive angle stops, micro-adjustable vernier settings, and a durable aluminum fence with swing stop, it's perfect for repeat cuts and woodworking precision. Many woodworkers love its solid construction, easy handling, and time-saving performance for professional quality projects. Carpenter Pencils Mechanical Set. The Ox Tools. Carpenter Pencils Mechanical Set is a smart upgrade for any professional or DIY woodworker. Designed for precise marking on wood, metal, tile, and concrete, it features a deep-hole stainless steel tip for hard-to-reach areas. The one-click advanced system and built-in sharpener make marking fast and convenient, while the anti-roll body prevents drops on sloped surfaces. With durable construction, colorful refill leads, and a secure belt holster, this set is built to handle demanding job site conditions with ease. Laminate Floor Cutter. The Workpro 13-inch laminate floor cutter is a powerful manual cutting tool built for fast, clean, and dust-free flooring installation. Designed for laminate, vinyl plank, SPC, WPC, and parquet flooring, it delivers smooth cuts without electricity or loud noise. Its sharp tungsten steel blade, adjustable angle settings, and telescopic handle make cutting easier and more precise. Lightweight wheels improve portability, while the safety lock adds secure storage. Perfect for DIYers and professionals who want quick, mess-free flooring cuts indoors. Mortising Jig. The Woodpeckers. Mortising Jig MJ24 transforms an ordinary plunge router into a precision loose tenon joinery machine for professional quality woodworking. Built with laser-engraved stainless steel scales, adjustable stops, and a dual-table clamping system, it delivers highly accurate mortises with fast repeatability. Supporting mortises from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch thick and up to 3.5 inches wide, it's an excellent alternative to expensive dedicated systems. Compatible with most plunge routers and even festool domino-style tenons, this jig helps woodworkers achieve clean, strong, and perfectly aligned joinery every time. Convertible Miter Table Saw. The Evolution Convertible Miter Table Saw is a compact, space-saving hybrid tool that combines a compound miter saw and a benchtop table saw in one unit. It lets you switch between cross-cutting and ripping in seconds, making it ideal for small workshops and job sites. With a powerful TCT blade, it can cut wood, steel, aluminum, and plastics without changing blades. Lightweight and portable, it delivers strong versatility, precision, and convenience for DIYers and professionals alike. Portable Crosscut. The Kreg Portable Crosscut, KMA4000-E, is a compact, handheld cutting guide designed to deliver miter saw precision using a standard circular saw. Perfect for job sites, it handles 90 degrees and 45 degrees cuts on boards up to 8 inches wide. Its retractable cut line indicators help align the blade accurately, while GripMax technology prevents slipping without clamps. A built-in saw support ledge ensures clean, straight starts. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it's ideal for fast, accurate cutting anywhere. Circular saw blade. Keentech 7 and 1/4 inch. Circular saw blade is an industrial-grade TCT blade designed for long-lasting performance and precision cutting. Built with a thin kerf design, it reduces material waste and improves cutting efficiency while easing strain on saw motors. Available in 24T, 40T, and 60T options, it handles framing, plywood, and fine woodworking. With heat dissipation slots, anti-vibration design, and smooth A-TB tooth geometry, it delivers clean, accurate, and reliable cuts every time. MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig, KLTJ100, is a smart, drill-powered joinery system designed to create strong, professional loose tenon joints without expensive machines. Its auto-indexing step-down mechanism ensures smooth, precise mortises with every pass, while micro-adjustment controls allow tight or loose fits. Compatible with 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch stock, it uses Kreg fluted tenons for strong glue bonds. A compact work surface and easy setup make it ideal for both DIYers and pro woodworkers. Wood chisel set. The Workpro 10-piece. Wood chisel set W043013AR is a complete woodworking kit ideal for beginners and DIY users. It includes 6 bevel edge chisels in sizes from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches, plus a sharpening stone, honing guide, carpenter pencils, and a durable storage case. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, the blades offer strong edge retention and durability. Ergonomic bimaterial handles ensure comfort and control, while steel strike caps support heavy hammering tasks.
Auxiliary rip fence. The Woodpeckers. Auxiliary rip fence upgrades your table saw for unmatched precision and safety. Made from heavy, ribbed extruded aluminum, it resists warping and ensures straight cuts. Its universal clamping system fits almost any saw and installs or removes in seconds. With 7 built-in T-tracks, it supports accessories like featherboards and stops, while the included material support stabilizes workpieces. Multiple configurations, including high fence, low fence, and L fence, provide versatile cutting options, making it ideal for both thin rips and large sheet goods. Drilling accuracy. The Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide brings professional drilling precision to any workshop. Its dual stainless steel columns and Teflon bushings keep the bit perfectly vertical, while the high-quality geared chuck reduces runout for clean, exact holes. Laser-engraved alignment marks and centering pins ensure flawless positioning, and the tapered depth stop guarantees consistent hole depth. With a ZeroFlex 90-degree design, V-groove stabilization, versatile fence system, and deluxe kit extensions, this guide delivers unmatched accuracy and repeatability for both flat and round stock. Folding saddle squares. The Woodpeckers. Folding saddle square is a precision joinery tool designed to lay out lines accurately around corners, including both 90 degrees and wider angles. Its machined aircraft-grade aluminum construction and stainless steel hinge ensure durability and smooth, slop-free adjustments. Post-assembly milling guarantees perfect alignment of both halves. Unlike traditional squares, it has no scales and folds neatly for storage. Ideal for complex joinery like hexagonal boxes or angled bridle joints, it's available in full size and mini versions for versatile woodworking applications. Miter Saw Protractor. The Lionz. Miter Saw Protractor is a versatile all-in-one tool designed for woodworking, carpentry and DIY projects. Combining a miter saw protractor, angle finder, spirit level, ruler and drawing compass, it simplifies precise measurements and transfers. Laser engraved scales, a durable ABS or aluminum body, and a locking mechanism ensure accuracy and longevity. Ideal for crown moulding, baseboards, plumbing, metalwork and outdoor construction. This compact multifunction device replaces multiple tools, saving space and improving efficiency in any workshop or job site. Mini Circular Saw. The Enventor. Mini Circular Saw is a versatile tool for DIY enthusiasts, available in 4.8 amps, 580 watts, and 5.8 amps, 705 watts models. Designed for one-handed operation, it cuts wood, soft metal, and tile efficiently. Both models feature a laser guide and scale ruler for precise cuts, a dust collection port, a double safety switch, and an ergonomic handle to reduce fatigue. Blade sizes range from 85mm to 115mm, with multiple blades included, along with a rip guide, hex wrench, and vacuum adapter for a complete cutting setup. Pony Cabinet Claw. The Pony 8 510 BP Cabinet Claw 2-pack is an all-in-one clamping tool that simplifies face-frame cabinet installation. It aligns styles, allows pre-drilling and fastening without repositioning. Featuring a 1/8 inch flip-out drill guide, 3-way clamping pressure and protective rubber pads, it prevents scratches while ensuring precise assembly. Built with lightweight aluminum jaws, Acme threaded steel screws and durable plastic handles, it handles styles 1.5 inches to 2 inches wide and up to 1.5 inches thick, with a 1,500 pound tensile strength for secure installations. Matchfit DVC System. The MICROJIG Matchfit DVC System DVC-1177K2 is a versatile woodworking track system that replaces costly aluminum T-tracks. It lets users create custom clamping grids on any wooden surface using a routed dovetail groove. The Pro Kit includes precision dovetail clamps, a specialized router bit, a setup gauge, and a hardware variety pack for stops and hold downs. Key features include unlimited work holding freedom, unobstructed workspace, strong clamping pressure, cost efficiency, and suitability for fences, sleds, assembly tables, and CNC setups. Cordless Circular Saw. The ALEAPOW K4. Cordless Circular Saw is a versatile lightweight 20-volt mini saw, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Its powerful copper motor reaches 3,400 revolutions per minute, easily cutting wood, soft metals, and plastics. The saw offers precise bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, aided by a laser guide and parallel fence. Lightweight at 4.6 pounds, it reduces hand fatigue, while its ergonomic handle, double safety switch, and dust management system ensure comfort, safety, and a clean workspace for one-handed operation. Ework Bench Dog Clamps. The Ework Bench Dog Clamps are versatile quick-action hold-down clamps designed for workbenches with 3/4 inch or 20mm dog holes. Built from high-strength nylon and 45-pound steel, They provide durability, strength, and reliability for woodworking projects. With up to 155 pounds of clamping force and an adjustable range of 4.8 inches, they securely hold workpieces of various thicknesses. The rubber protection pads prevent surface damage, while the patented quick clamp and release system ensures effortless operation. Their low-profile design keeps the workspace clear, making them ideal for sanding, routing, or finishing tasks on MFT tables and standard woodworking benches. Woodraphic Professional Dual Function Vernier Calipers for measuring and marking. The Woodraphic Professional Dual Function Vernier calipers combine precision measuring and accurate marking in one innovative tool. Designed for woodworkers, this 5-in-1 instrument can measure depth, width, and angles, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, draw parallel lines, and serve as a ruler. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it features high-precision machining, a durable black anodized finish, and laser-etched white markings for superior readability. The smooth sliding vernier scale offers accuracy up to 0.05 millimeters with minimal parallax. Lightweight and ergonomic, it includes a removable depth gauge and a T-square function, making it ideal for detailed woodworking and precision layout tasks. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a precision table saw accessory designed for cutting identical, narrow wood strips safely and efficiently. Built from CNC machined aluminum alloy, it offers superior durability and accuracy. Its one-way roller bearing ensures smooth forward motion while preventing dangerous kickback, enhancing safety during thin cuts. The laser engraved scales in both inches and millimeters allow for precise adjustments, enabling strips as thin as 1/32 inch. The jig's zero clearance setup eliminates blade offset errors. Compatible with most table saws, band saws, and router tables, it includes multiple mitre slot adapters, making it a versatile tool for fine woodworking. Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table. The Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table is an innovative accessory that transforms any standard handheld jigsaw into a stable, stationary cutting tool. It enables precise, controlled cuts by allowing users to move the workpiece instead of the saw, improving accuracy and safety. The table's galvanized steel surface ensures durability, while two strong clamps provide secure attachment to a workbench. Its inverted setup offers a clear view of the cutting line and minimizes splintering on the top surface. With a universal fit for most jigsaws, parallel guide support, and compact portability, this table is ideal for straight, circular, or freehand cutting tasks. Blockcision Setup Blocks Woodworking Tools. The Blockcision Setup Blocks. Woodworking tools are precision machined aluminum gauge blocks designed to provide quick and accurate setup for woodworking machinery. Built from solid dent-resistant aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, these blocks resist corrosion and wear. Each bar features laser-engraved ruler markings for easy reading and reliable accuracy within plus or minus 0.001 inch. Their stackable design allows users to combine blocks for hundreds of measurement options, ensuring precise blade, bit, and fence adjustments. Available in 8, 15, and 16-piece sets, they come neatly organized in a durable storage case, making them ideal for use with table saws, routers, and drill presses. Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge. The Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge, model number 53310, is a high-performance upgrade for table saws, band saws, and router tables, delivering exceptional accuracy and stability. Its aluminum head offers a clear, easy-to-read scale from 0 degrees to 70 degrees in both directions, with precision machine detents at common angles for quick, reliable settings. The 18-inch steel mitre bar includes adjustable nylon screws to remove play for smooth operation. Ergonomic handles enhance comfort and control, while built-in fence mounting options allow easy customization. Designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use, this mitre gauge ensures consistent, repeatable cuts for professional quality woodworking results. Woodraphic Dovetail Guide. The Woodraphic Dovetail Guide is a precision magnetic jig engineered for flawless hand-cut dovetail joints. Made from CNC machined, high-grade aluminum, it ensures perfect accuracy and repeatable cuts for professional quality joinery. The guide comes in fixed angle ratios of 1:6 for softwoods and 1:8 for hardwoods, with combo sets available for 45 degrees and 90 degree layouts. Powerful neodymium magnets hold the saw securely for stable hands-free operation, while UHMWPE inserts protect the workpiece from scratches. Compact yet weighty for stability, it's compatible with most hand saws. Built for durability, Woodraphic backs this premium dovetail guide with a lifetime manufacturer's guarantee.